Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you meet the game's prerequisites. Rank, any certifications, and unlocked stations. Once confirmed, open the duty roster and locate night shift openings. This is where you claim the shift. You must prep gear, uniform, radio, vehicle, and verify mission loadouts because game systems lock equipment at clock-in. Make sure to accept any required briefings. Doing this first avoids denials and ensures you can respond immediately when incidents occur during night operation. Once on shift, accept the assignment and immediately load into your patrol vehicle, setting a waypoint to the assigned sector so you arrive quickly. Follow dispatch protocols, acknowledge radio calls, prioritize priority incidents, and mark beats when secure. Use night tactics. Reduced speed to avoid missed hazards and deploy night vision or spotlights to scan dark areas. This lowers collision risk and improves suspect detection. Keep communications clear and concise and log actions. Doing so preserves accountability. To complete your night shift, return to the station, finalize incident reports, and submit the shift log so rewards and experience register. You should check performance feedback and any penalties before logging out. This explains missed objectives and affects future shift access. If the shift didn't register or you were booted, review your action log, confirm server status, and reset mission settings, then reapply for the next night slot. If problems persist, relog and retake the same start steps to replicate success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.